Yeah, good morning, guys. This is Bure Thaddeus. We've woken up to make some money. It's 2:50 a.m. in the morning, and we want to make some money. We want to make some money. We only want to make $50, and the bot should stop after hitting the target of $50. So let's see how long it's going to take us to hit our target. And as you can observe, the bot is not going for more than two losses, not more than two losses consecutive. So this is a bot that I've improved one of the bots that we already have, and it's giving us our goals. Our goal in this case is 50. I didn't start the video from the beginning because of time and saving your data, because what matters is you getting the point. So let's see, our target is $50. So if you make $50 in the morning, I think that's something nice. At 2 a.m., you just wake up, make some $50, go back to sleep. Wake up in the morning, make some $50, go back, go to your work, go to school, or do something. So we are not staying here for too long. This is a bot that runs very fast, very fast. My intention is just seeing us, not you, seeing us make our $50 in the morning and see what happens once we have. If this is a win, we're out of the market. If it's a loss, we make another run. If we recover, we hit our target once and we are out of the market. If this is a win, we are out of the market, and that's it. Our target was 50, and you can see once it hits the target, the bot stops itself. So get in touch, get this bot, start making some money. You can see we are already at $51, and the bot has stopped by itself. It's not going to do anything until you tell it to. So guys, this is a bot that you need to have it, and let's get in touch and see how you can have it. This is a premium bot because you can't get this kind of a bot for free, because it's recovering. We have 26 wins against 17 losses, but we still made our target. So I'll expect your calls. You'll have my number in the description, so that you can also get in touch if you have ever bought a bot, purchased a bot that didn't give you the desired returns. This is it now, because you can see on the trade type here, call put, the bot follows the market trend. It follows how the market is moving. It doesn't have to be a call through or a put through. Sometimes when the market changes, you lose once, then the bot goes back to achieve to follow the new trend. If the market is going down, the bot starts going down. If the market starts going up, you will lose once, because when it switches, maybe the bot was purchasing a put, then it will switch back to where the market trend at that time is moving towards. So you're assured either way you're going to make money. So if you make $50, or your target could be higher, I'm using a stake of 2. You can use a different figure, but for matters of explanation or illustration to someone who doesn't have a lot of money to stake, they still can make money here, because if it runs, it would be shorter, like less than 20 would have had our target. But I don't want to put a very big figure, because we have beginners, we have people who don't have a lot of money to start the business, but they can purchase the bot and start with maybe $100. This is a bot that someone with $100 for trading can use, because you can see it's there's no point we lost more than twice consecutively. So you can see the results. It's only here, around here, that we had two successive, and then here that we had two successive losses. But this is a bot that anyone serious about making money can afford to start. You buy the bot. I won't give you the figures here of how much the bot is going to cost, because once it's on YouTube, you might see it today and wait for 1 year, then come tell me you told us it's $200, and maybe by the time you're coming to purchase, I'll have upgraded some few things to perfect the bot. So definitely the prices won't be the same. So it will depend at what stage are you coming. The earlier you come, the better. So guys, subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing this kind of videos so that we can make money. This is a strategy for up and down, call and put. Then the rest you find it in the bot, because the bots are plug and play kind of, so you don't need to know anything, but you need the basics of how to run the bot. So let's connect, let's get in touch, and let's make this money and drive away poverty. Thank you, and look forward to working with you, showing you what to do and what not to. Bye for now.